What should I be looking for when hiring employees? It just never seems to work out. A very important question, because we no longer hire people for qualifications they have on paper. We hire people for attitude these days. You know why? Because once people get inside the building, we can teach them anything, and anything they need to know, literally everything they need to know. A lack of motivation to grow is just something we don't have time for right now. You know why? Because everything in life is selling now, literally selling. And I don't mean detergent salespeople. I don't mean magazine salespeople. I'm not talking about car salesmen. Salesmen should be everywhere inside your office today. Every building should have salesmen, and this is what I mean. Sell me on a two-way conversation. Sell me on an idea to change the customer's life. Sell me on the prospect of having you in my office in the coming 12 months. It has to make sense. You really have to make sense to me. And so if an applicant has this instinct to sell themselves, then I know we stand a very good chance on succeeding as an organization, and most importantly, developing this individual into becoming a very good employee at the end of the day. And most importantly, this person is going to be adding value to our mission and vision as an organization. That is the kind of a person we want today. We want a salesperson, my friend. Salespeople are game changers. This person is going to change the game for our organization, for every goal and mission that we tackle. Those are the people that come up with ideas. They come up with goals. They come up with milestones. They set milestones. They're able to call you and say, listen, this is what I think. Customer number 1222. This is what I think about the relationship we have with this account as an account holder, as a business. Those people are the people that change the game today in 2025.